I'm sure you've heard the news. Zimbabwe's political circles are buzzing with controversy again. Chivhayo, a flamboyant businessman, is under investigation by the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, or ZACC, for money laundering and corruption. The probe is centered around a massive $40 million tender for the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission during the 2023 elections. Chivhayo's associates, Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombe, are also in the spotlight. Allegations suggest the trio went on a spending spree, buying luxury cars and mansions. Chivhayo fired back on Instagram, calling his partners extortionists and illiterate briefcase businessmen. The ruling ZANU-PF party is divided. The Youth League is demanding thorough investigations while the main wing remains silent. ZACC insists they have more evidence and are ready to act. They warned that if Chivhayo and his associates don't cooperate, ZACC will come for them. Stay tuned as this scandal unfolds. It's a story of power, money, and the quest for accountability in Zimbabwe.